Hello guys, this is Vishal and welcome to my channel called Programming World. So today we are going to see how we can install Jenkins on our machines. So let's start. We will first move to our browser and in search we will type Jenkins download. So just click on this first URL and here you can see a button called download. Just click on this, scroll down. So there are two different categories which are available. The first is long-term support and the second is weekly. We will go for long-term support. Just scroll down. You will see an option called Windows. Just click on this. As you can see, the download has been started and we got a message that thank you for downloading Windows Stable Installer. I will just cancel this because I already have the setup with me. And this is the folder. Open it. You will see a jenkins.msi file. Just double click on it and you will see a wizard here for Jenkins setup. Just click on this next button. You will see it will ask for a path. I will keep it as by default. Click on next, click on install, and here you will see that it is getting installed. Click on finish. So to launch Jenkins, we have to type localhost :8080. Click enter. You will see this window. Please wait while Jenkins is getting ready to work. On first login, you will have to provide an administrator password which is available on this path. Just navigate here. There will be one file, initial admin password. Open it. I will open it in Notepad and just copy paste here and click on continue. If you are installing Jenkins first time on your machine, it will ask for some default plugins to be installed. So this is not the first time I am installing Jenkins on this machine, because of which I didn't got those pop-up for installation of plugins. After this, you can just proceed with creation of new jobs or new items. You can schedule runs, all those stuff. So if you face any issues while installing Jenkins on your machines, just drop a message in comment section. Thanks for watching. Be safe, be healthy. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Programming World.